Okay, so for better or for worse, I decided to go with a cut line here. So dashboard, I will affix to here, despite the fact that I've got these pieces on. I'll just leave them there. Don't actually expect them to come off. No. that resin, the arrow, that resin. Oh, yeah. Maybe I can get that off, but it's going to be risky. I might as well just leave it, and because it's all of this is going to be buried underneath the cloth resin anyway. So I think what we'll do is leave this on. Now, the particular reason for that is that with the dashboard it being in, when the steering wheel goes in, it will be obviously attached to this assembly going down to the front. So if there's ever any need to disassemble it, then the vehicle in its entirety, then the pedals and etc. are all in the same box. The triple runners that come down here and here, when I attach them, they will come down to this point here, but they will be bolted on there, bolts between here and here, bolts between here and here, bolts between there and there, bolts between there and there, but these will extend down so that they will be attached to two places, giving lever on that on there. Have to see how that goes. Right, so I've loosely taped between here and here this piece. The tape is just so that it holds it in place whilst I put the epoxy araldite on. So from there to there, and this one again, and I'll have to cut the glue out from here, cut all this tape out and cut the glue out. From there to there, that one to that one, that one to that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, which is a lot simpler than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pieces, and then eight of these struts going across here. So just a simple pragmatic thing. For better or for worse, that's what we're doing. Alright, now for some gluing.